There is a moment, and if you've lived it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When something shifts, not loudly, not dramatically, just quietly, like a light being turned on in a room that was there for far too long. You stopped reacting the way you used to. You stopped apologizing for things that weren't your fault. You stopped shrinking yourself to make someone else feel bigger. And somewhere in that stillness, in that new and hard won page, you finally found someone noticed. Someone who had built her entire relationship with you on the assumption that you would always be available to be moved, shaken, doubted, and dismantled. And when they Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that you were no longer that person, when they looked into your eyes and found something steady, something unreadable, something they could no longer control, something changed in them, too. Not for the better, for something far more dangerous. What I'm about to share with you is no theory. It is not generic advice pulled from a textbook. It is the psychological reality of what happens inside a narcissist when they truly realize that you are no longer theirs to manipulate. And more importantly, I'm going to tell you exactly what they do next. Because there is one final move they make, one less dirty trick. And if you don't know it's coming, it will catch you completely off guard, even now, even after everything you've survived. If this kind of deep psychological truth is something you need in your life right now, anything it is, because you are still here, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every single week, content like this is waiting for you. Content that doesn't talk down to you, doesn't offer empty affirmations, but instead gives you the raw, precise psychological understanding you need to protect yourself and rebuild your life. Subscribe now. Stay with me because this one is important. There comes a point in the life of Anyone who has been entangled with a narcissist when something in time. This is the trick. This is the less dirty trick. And it works when it works. Not because you are weak, but because you are human. Because you have a heart that genuinely wanted repair. Because you carry within you an innate beautiful capacity for hope and belief in change. And they are using that against you. They have always used it against you. But now they are using it with a level of precision they have never used before. Because this is their last move. Some part of them knows that if this doesn't work, you are truly gone. And so they bring everything they have to this final attempt. Understanding why this happens requires you to look at what is happening inside them. Not with compassion that excuses them, but with clear psychological precision that protects you. When a narcissist loses control of someone they own healthily in their psychological grip, they experience something that functions in their internal world, like an identity crisis. Because you were part of the architecture of their self-concept, your admiration, your attention, your fear, your devotion. These were load-bearing walls in the structure of their fragile inner world. And when you withdrew, when you became strong enough to live without the constant turbulence they created, you didn't just leave a relationship, you destabilized an entire internal ecosystem. Their sense of superiority depends on having people beneath them. Their grandiosity requires an audience. And you, by healing, by growing, by quietly and powerfully refusing to participate anymore, took all of that away. You become evidence of something they cannot afford to believe. That they are not as powerful as they think. That someone can genuinely outgrow them and become more than they ever were in the relationship. This is not merely uncomfortable for a narcissist. This is existentially threatening. It touches the rawest wound in their entire psychological structure. The terror that underneath all the performance they